Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 31st, yeah, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the binary, and this one, the Four Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with seven extra puzzles, four of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with the Four Stars Sudoku. Okay, and the news of today, well, it's today, war day number 889. 889 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes. Okay. 8999. 8999. Alright. Um. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. This one has one digit more. Should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this a 4 stars puzzle or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. One in this column, one in the middle column. So they'll come next. The only place level one should be there. Four missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Alright, how about a 4 in this third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see, 8, 8, in the 6 here. Yeah. Come on. 1, 1. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. Let me see. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Come on. Need a 3 there. Well. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. 6 should be here. 7. Need a 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row, so no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So one digit left in this column for number 6. Need a 9 here, okay. Then, need a 7 here. Need a 4, need a 2. Come on. How about 6, 6. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So row between, only 3 places level the 6 should be here, here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. So the only place level the 6 should be there. And we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. So, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. Then need a 4 here. And need a 4 there. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this column. No 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2, 2. Okay. Well, yes, 7 here. 2, 7, and that 4. Well. Need a 5 there. Hmm. 3, 5. 5, 5. Need a 1, 1, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in the middle row. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 5. 5, 5. Okay. So we have 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between, only place level 7 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 7 in this row. The 2 and the 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places level 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this brick square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes in there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright, 5, 5, 5. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, need an 8 there. Need a 5 there. Come on. And he's 6 there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. So no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 8. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 and a 7, we already have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left on the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left on the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Then, let me see. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. 5, 5, 5. 2, 5, 9. Come on. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Here can be 5. Here can be 5. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. And we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see. We have all the ones, and all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. How about the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. How about the 7? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay. Then, 2 and 9. 2, 9 and the 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between, the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 4, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Then 2 and 9. 2 and 9 and 5, okay. 2, 5 and 3. Well, come on. 2, 9, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left with the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Here we have a pair, the 2 and 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Other numbers, the 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And we have a pair. 3 and a 5 in the third column. 3 and a 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left with 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. This box should be a 2. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 9. 2 and a 9, we have a 9. In the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 9, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final number in this big square for number 1, and the 2 is missing. 15 minutes again. Yeah, we solve it again, although we have 1 digit less than the previous Sudoku. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.